type of book we're making today. This one was made with an 11 by 17 sheet of paper, so it comes out to be a little bit larger. And they did illustrations in the pages, but they also did a large illustration on the back that you can see when you unfold the book. So you could do that. This is one that I made. This is the original and this is a copy. I just used collage and typing and drawing. And I made copies, which you could really easily make and send in the mail to your friends right now. This one has examples of the page numbers, so you can see that you get 8 pages. And when you open it up, you can see the orientation of those. First, we're going to fold the paper in half lengthwise, or hot dog fold. And you just want to make sure that those are lining up here so it's straight, and fold with your finger. If you have a bone folder, which is this tool, you can use that to flatten it, or you can use something like a popsicle stick or your fingernail. That helps flatten the fold. Now open it up and fold it in half this way, or hamburger style. Again, same technique. Now what you're gonna do is take this cut edge and line it up to that folded edge like this. And fold there. Flip it over, do the same on the other side. Make sure everything is lining up as straight as possible. And now you have this. It should be like a W shape. And what you're gonna do is cut right here from the center fold to that crease with your scissors. And then, whoop, and you're gonna wrap it around so the front cover is on the front and the back is on the back. And you can flatten the whole thing. And now you have your book. And then you can decorate it. So here's my finished book. You could see I just did some stamping to make it cute. In the middle, you can write a cute message to your friend. You could do something on the inside. Maybe you write a letter on the inside, and then you can send it in the mail, or you can just keep it for yourself. You can sell it at a Zine Fest, whatever you want.